And it is a warm one, and it is getting muggier, and it is going to, well, get unsettled heading into the 4th of July weekend. Exactly what we need, maybe not what we want, because we got an update in the drought status as well. This is what it looks like outside. It's another beautiful day, but if you have been outside at all, you've noticed that mugginess is rising. The humidity is coming up. Here's the Max Track, the broad view. Not a whole lot as far as showers or storms are expected anytime soon, but this is the reason that we need it, even if it is the long holiday weekend. This is the latest update from the U.S. Drought Monitor, and of course, the yellow, that abnormally dry, that first stage of drought, now up through Cynthiana and into our eastern counties. But this is the bigger takeaway. The moderate drought that was a little bubble around E-Town has been expanded quite a bit. It runs all the way down to the Tennessee border. It does clip western Fayette County, runs all the way out to western Breathitt County, just west of Jackson. There is where it cuts off. And so we've got this expanding drought because when you look at the numbers, Lexington has had less than a half an inch of rain in the past 3 weeks. It is just bone dry out there, and a lot of yards are just looking crispy. And of course, agricultural interests are getting hit hard by this as well. So even though, yeah, there's the 4th of July, even though we've got rising rain chances as we go into that long weekend, we need to get this going, and it's good news that it's multiple days. It's not going to be a washout, a steady rain, a long soaking rain. It'll be more diurnally driven, popping up into the heat of the afternoon, then diminishing as the sun sets. It'll come in rounds, essentially. And for today, isolated showers and storms are possible way down south, but that'll become more of a thing as we go into tomorrow. Watch the future track. You can see scattered showers and thunder showers developing, very hit or miss. Again, not the widespread soaking rain we need, but at least we're talking about precipitation. And then as this front drops south, it looks to stall out somewhere near the Ohio River. This will give us our best bet. You can already see a few showers and storms firing between daytime heating and that frontal boundary, forcing some activity to get some showers and storms going. And again, it will be even Saturday when we have our peak coverage, hit or miss. So not everybody will get through this weekend and get decent rain, but some folks I'm hoping will. We're showing over the next 5 days, it could range anywhere between, a few tenths of an inch, quarter of an inch, up to an inch or more, especially if you have repeated rounds coming through. So fingers crossed we can do that. It's 91 degrees in upper 80s elsewhere. The dew point is coming up. Look at the difference. We still have this pocket of drier air into northern Kentucky, but this is the influence of that southerly flow. Dew points are in the 60s and low 70s, so that muggy air is bubbling up from down south, and the future track shows that happening. As that frontal boundary slides south, we will stay firmly in that muggier air, and you can see that drier air right on the other side of that boundary where it gets hung up and just really doesn't move. So even northern Kentucky may see at times over the 4th of July weekend some drier air cutting in there, but our muggy meter is going to be going up. You can see we'll get up into the 70s and then stay there. And as we see shower and storm chances on the rise over the weekend, we'll actually see that temperature coming down a bit, just not much. Our average high is 87. That's about what we'll cool down to Sunday. Best chance for showers, thunder showers still looks to be Saturday afternoon, Saturday evening, and then a lingering chance each afternoon, more than likely. So as far as the 4th of July goes, if you have plans for that, know that there could still be a few showers and storms hanging around, and that heat hangs with us through the middle of the week.